pregnancy for my baby Carlene. Siyempre, andun na tayo sa mahirap, pero nakayanan, and then sobrang blessing magkaroon ng anak. Ayun, mahal na mahal kita, Carlene. Mahal na mahal ka namin ng daddy mo. Sana lumaki kang malusog at mabuting bata.
Don't really care if it's freezing, covered in snow, but you keep me warm as the sun. I wanna share my life with you, 'cause you're an angel in disguise. I swear I don't want any other, and I have wings when I'm with you, my love. And I wanna fly away with you out of the cityscape, where no one is but you and I. Make our home in the sky, and I'll hold on to the wings on your back. You're my angel in the back. You're my angel in the flesh. I'll part the clouds to make our...
Welcome to the Christian world and happy birthday. Now sana maging masunurin ka sa iyong mga magulang, and lahat naman ng gusto mo, no, hanggang sa paglaki mo ay nandyan naman sila para nakasuporta sa iyo. So happy birthday, and from the De Vera family, we love you, Carl.
Ang wish ko sa'yo, baby Carlene, is sana maging maayos ka sa paglaki mo. Dito naman kami ni mama mo. Kagabayan ka namin ng Yukon.
Wish you all the best, and happy christening.
Happy birthday, baby Carlene.
I love you.
Love you, anak ko.
It's all